Here we've got Hormann's Sectional garage door, which is proving to be the most popular in Europe. It's insulated, very secure, and of course, automatic. As you can see, it opens in sections, hence the name. As this door's coming down, there's a couple of things I want to show you. First of all, this. A great safety feature. If you've got children running around underneath or you've left the car bonnet in the middle of the door, you'll see it pings straight back up. Then, as the door's coming down again, these sections here have a long panel of insulation that will stop any of the heat coming out. And as my fingers are in these gaps, you can see they won't get trapped because the mechanism pushes them straight out. Now, as you can see here, the door fits into these tracks which roll all along the roofline until you get to this operator here, which works with the BiSecure system. There's an added feature here, which is the light, which turns on automatically when you operate the door and actually can be turned on independently as well. Now, this door has an extra security feature, which comes in the shape of a mechanical lock. The beauty of this sectional garage door is that although the frame here is squared off, because it's fitted on the inside of the building, it means you can put it with an opening of any shape. Now, as a sectional garage door, it's also sealed on all four sides, which means it's the only truly insulated door. And because it's fitted on the inside of the building, it means it's not encroaching on your drive-through space. Now, with this flexible surface, it means that even with an uneven floor, you can still create a full seal. And whilst we're on insulation, this door also comes with 42 millimetres of insulating foam between two sheets of steel. And the foam isn't just for insulation, it also helps to make the door stronger and more rigid, so it lasts for years to come. Another feature unique to Hormann is a plastic frame shoe, which offers protection against corrosion and rust at the base of the frame. The door we've been looking at today is the new silk grain finish. And this piece was the Deco Grain Timber Effect in golden oak. There are 15 standard colours and finishes available, and if none of those take your fancy, there are over 200 more to choose from. So, if security, insulation and convenience are your priorities, then this sectional door is the one to go for.